Let's talk batteries. Battery storage set a Q1 record while fueling the AI boom, but is it going to be enough? Let's find out. The US energy storage sector, which is a fancy way of saying batteries, just posted its strongest first quarter in history, installing 9.7 gigawatt hours of new capacity. Now, I don't like to throw large numbers at you on this show without context. So here's what you need to know to understand what 9.7 gigawatt hours means. Battery capacity is measured in energy. Energy is power, which is measured in watts, times time, which is expressed in hours. Whenever you see something measured in kilowatt hours, megawatt hours, or gigawatt hours, that's a measure of how long that amount of stored energy can power an electrical load. So when we're sizing batteries for home and business owners at Exact Solar, we always ask, what do you want to power and for how long? 9.7 gigawatt hours is enough energy to power 300,000-ish, give or take, homes for a full day in an outage. If that much capacity were backing up New York City, it would power the whole city for an hour and a half during a full outage, or, on a day when everyone was running their AC in the summertime, probably more like 45 minutes to an hour. It's a ton of energy, and we're deploying it at breakneck speed. Battery deployment is one of the best solutions to the many problems that we're facing with energy prices in the US. Wholesale power costs are soaring, and geopolitical tensions continue to drive up fuel costs. Data centers have caused a massive surge in electricity demand. Now, you don't need a deep understanding of energy markets to know that this is a mess that's not going to be easily solved. Right now, everyone wants power from a grid that was built before many people's grandparents were born, and it desperately needs repairs, and no one knows who's going to pay for them. It's a perfect storm that's likely going to get worse before it gets better. On top of all this, extreme storms and power outages now happen far more frequently. What's standing in the way is really Washington politics. According to the Solar Energy Industries Association, or SEIA, 467 solar and storage projects, these are utility scale projects, by the way. This isn't like on homes and businesses. These are gigantic projects that are built in fields and power huge things. But 467 of these projects currently have permits pending and are vulnerable to politically motivated delays. Industry leaders warn that stalling these permits threatens American energy security and could push energy bills even higher. The U.S. is rapidly building the storage capacity that is needed to support AI's power needs and stabilize the grid, but maintaining this momentum is going to require clearing federal permitting bottlenecks. The solution to this, one of the easiest solutions to this, is to put batteries in your home or business. And if you live in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, we would love to help you do that. We at Exact Solar are one of the most respected solar and storage companies in the region. We've been around for more than 20 years, and we are highly, highly reviewed. We would love to take a look at your project. So if you live in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, please give us a call at Exact Solar. I've included a link in today's Substack email. Now, thank you for tuning in to This Week in Solar. We love hearing from listeners, so if you're enjoying what we're doing here, please leave a comment in today's Substack post or just on LinkedIn, anywhere you found today's newsletter. It helps us grow and would, help us with some feedback to improve what we're doing. So thank you very much, and I look forward to speaking with you next week.